Welcome to our Heritage Day celebration. Today we honor those who came before us and those who will come after us. We celebrate our legacy and our heritage and remember our roots. We remember and celebrate what makes the Rainbow Nation the Rainbow Nation and what makes us, us. As the saying in Xhosa goes, "Isandla sihlambe esinye, one hand washes the other." And today we honor the legacy of those before us and celebrate our roots and our heritage.
Growing up with a Portuguese mother and a Greek dad allowed me to experience many different cuisines growing up. In a country like South Africa, where we have so many different recipes being passed down from generations to future generations, I'm very privileged to be able to taste different foods.
4 generations of my family have been at this school before me. To me, Bishops is more than just a school. It's a part of my culture and a place where I celebrate my heritage every day.
Games bring all different people from different walks of life together, combining our heritage, helping us better connect with one another.
On this day and those to come, we honor the legacy of those who came before us and inspire the next generation who will come after us. So, from our Bishops family, Happy Heritage Day to you.
Happy Heritage Day!